Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech4Gamers. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to log in to Brawl Stars game using your mobile device. If you want to access your saved game progress, connect with friends and enjoy the game without losing your data, first of all, tap open the Brawl Stars application from your mobile device, whether you are using Android or iOS, and from the main screen, tap on the login button. Now, you can switch between IDs or tap on Login to Supercell ID and click on Continue. On the next page, type down your email address associated with your Supercell ID and click on Login. On the next page, verify your email ID by typing in the code that has been sent to you via email. Go open up your email inbox and open the email from Supercell and then copy the code inside it. Get back to Brawl Star app and paste in the code or type it down manually. Now click on Submit. Click on Load once it finds your user ID, and there you have it. That's how you can log into Brawl Stars. Always use the official Supercell ID login method and never share your account details with anyone to keep your progress safe. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.